how would these Ray-Ban sunglasses look on me? And would this IKEA shelf fit into my living room? When shopping online, consumers often struggle with so-called imagination gaps. And these imagination gaps not only occur when people go shopping, people even find it hard to imagine how donating blood would really help another person. My name is Tim Hilken, and I'm researching the topic of augmented reality. Augmented reality, or simply AR, helps people overcome imagination gaps by letting them see digital objects or animations as if they were really there in the real world. AR can be used on futuristic headsets, but also on a regular smartphone with a camera. And although most people know augmented reality from the Pokemon Go hype, many organizations are now using AR as their communication tool of choice, be it to visualize IKEA furniture, or like the UK's National Health Service to show how donating blood directly improves the health of another person. Over the past years, I've headed a research initiative on AR to better understand what makes this new technology so valuable. In studies with several thousand users, my research finds that using AR to overcome imagination gaps enriches people's view of everyday environments, and this lets them feel more engaged, empowered, and creative. But more importantly, AR lets people feel comfortable with making decisions both for themselves as well as decisions that affect others. But it's important to stress that people do not want to feel that AR is being used to persuade them or to collect their personal data. This leads to the overall recommendation of my research, which is to use AR not only as a tool for enhancing shopping experiences, but for empowering people to make better decisions, reach their personal goals, and help others.